Roblox Error 110, also known as "You have been kicked due to unexpected client behavior," is an anti-cheat mechanism. This error appears when the Roblox client detects irregularities, such as unauthorized modifications, exploit scripts, or incompatible software. It's a security measure to ensure fair gameplay and protect the platform. Think of it as Roblox's way of saying something fishy is going on with your game client. Unlike network errors, Error 110 specifically targets unusual behavior or software conflicts. To understand this better, consider how Roblox detects valid gameplay versus suspicious behavior. Error 110 will disrupt ongoing sessions and can sometimes result in temporary or permanent bans. If you encounter Error 110, the first step is to immediately stop using any third-party tools or exploits. This includes cheats, aimbots, or any unauthorized software that modifies Roblox behavior. Next, uninstall any cheat software from your device. Then, clear your browser cache or app data to remove any traces of exploits. Make sure your Roblox app is fully updated. Use the launcher to check for updates and run an integrity check to verify that files haven't been modified. If Error 110 resulted in a temporary ban, simply wait for the ban duration to expire, usually 1 to 7 days. If you believe the ban was unjust, submit an appeal through Roblox settings under Help. Restart your device and router to clear any temporary issues. Also, disable any overlays from apps like Discord or GeForce Experience, and turn off VPNs that might interfere with Roblox. If problems persist, reinstall Roblox to ensure all files are clean and uncorrupted. Finally, if the error continues, contact Roblox support through their help system. Provide your device logs and details about the issue so they can investigate the root cause.